Hello everyone, this is Hunter at Vapor Honing Technology. So today we're back with part 2 of our video. Again, we're comparing a wet blast to a dry blast finish and which one is better for removing and prepping for paint and powder coat. As you can see, we have the other side of our part here. We blasted this side and a silicon carbide. Now I didn't have silicon carbide available in the dry blast unit, so we're gonna use an aluminum oxide for this side, just so you can see how it works between the two different processes when it comes to time to finish, and compare the two for which process would be better for you. Hello everyone, so we're back with our final part here. So obviously you can see that this surface is a little bit more etched for a surface coating like powder coat or paint. This only took about 30 seconds. So if your focus is production and speed, you're probably going to want to use the dry blast process. If your focus is not so much production and speed and you're more of a, let's say like hobbyist using this process, I would definitely recommend a vapor honing machine for this kind of application. If you guys have any questions about this, please give us a call. We're always happy to help. Our number here is 828-202-5563.